Ever wondered how to make a healthy and delicious meal in just 40 minutes? Imagine a dish with a stellar health score of 92 out of 100, prepared in under an hour, and boasting a modest calorie count of 177. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare this nutritious and mouthwatering meal. To start, you'll need the following ingredients for 5 servings. First on the list is 750 grams of chicken breasts, a staple for high-quality protein. Don't forget the essentials: salt and freshly ground pepper for seasoning. Next up, we have 5 limes, perfect for adding a tangy zing to our dish. Lastly, you'll need 15 wooden skewers, which will hold everything together while we grill. Keep them handy. Now let's get cooking. First things first, soak wooden skewers in water for about 30 minutes. This ensures that they won't burn when you're grilling. While the skewers are soaking, let's move on to the chicken. Cut it into bite-sized cubes, making sure each piece is roughly the same size for even cooking. Once the chicken is all cut up, season it with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground pepper to taste. Now, let's prep the limes. Rinse them under hot water to remove any wax or dirt, then cut them into eighths. You'll find that the hot water also helps to release more of the lime's juice and flavor. It's time to bring everything together. Thread the chicken cubes and lime pieces alternately onto the soaked skewers. Once that's done, place them on a hot grill and let them cook for about 7 minutes. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious meal prepared in just about 40 minutes. Now, let's talk about why this recipe is not just delicious, but also incredibly healthy. Packed with 36 grams of protein, it's low in fat and carbohydrates, with no added sugar. It's a nutritious feast that your body will thank you for. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try and enjoy a meal that's as healthy as it is tasty.